Continue watching for a full description of this trade. I hope you guys enjoy. And if you have any questions, contact me at bellafx.com.
We are currently up 132 pips. This is a weekly trade, so we will keep this in for a week to 2 weeks, most likely. So let's get started. This trade I like because I put my entry in at the doji on the weekly chart and the 12-hour doji and a 12-hour doji. Okay, so there's a weekly doji which is right here, and I'll show you in the 12 hours in just a few. Also, I was at the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. Obviously, it went a little lower, but that's normal. So let's see. Let's go on the daily and see what we have here. There was also a gap right here. However, it got filled last time. So on the 12-hour chart, we'll see that there is a doji right around our area. It's a little above our entry, but we put our entry right at the wick of the doji. And then I was monitoring the trade. Obviously, you know, it dropped to the 115. And as I've said before, guys, the 150, the 500s, you know, 250, 750s are major numbers for me. And usually, based on my observation of the charts, they always react. So, as we see here on the 12-hour chart, this pair did create a bullish engulfing pattern, and this is why I kept the trade in. Now I want to take some of my profits off at the 175, 1175, and then the rest of my profit at the 120 at the doji right here. And I would go a little further up, but we will see how, you know, the market reacts around this area, and then I will figure out if I want to go all the way up to the 50% Fibonacci retracement area. It's all about, you know, looking at the chart, finding a way to trade, seeing what works for you. I mean, candle patterns are my favorite, along with fundamentals. You have to take everything under consideration. And I also use the Fibonacci retracements for some pairs, not all of them, okay? I don't like my chart to be very messy because it, you know, it just makes me overthink things. So I tried to take the less riskier trade, which is, you know, this was at a weekly demand zone, you know, and I'm just going to take it up to supply. The next supply pretty much is at the 1175, and then the other one is right here at the 120. And moving on to the, you know, obviously the 122.5 or the 121.679. If you guys have any more questions, you can always contact me on Instagram at bellafx_, or you can contact me through my website, bellafx.com. Happy trading!